gonna show you how to change your low beam on your Toyota Tundra. This is your low beam light. And you can change all your lights like this. It's pretty easy. You don't have to take anything off. You can just reach your hand inside and just turn it counterclockwise. But I'm gonna take this off just so you can get a clear view of what it looks like. If you would like to purchase this bulb, you can get it in the description below, or go to my Amazon affiliate store. As you can see, I'm taking these cover and all this other stuff off. I got another video in the description below on how to remove the headlights. But I'm just removing this just to show you what it looks like on the inside. Right here is low beam. You turn it counterclockwise and you pull it out. And then you put the new one in and turn it clockwise to put it back on. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.